Top 3 vitamin that help stop proteinuria and heal your kidneys. Maintaining kidney health is crucial, especially for those experiencing proteinuria, which indicates excessive protein in the urine and potential kidney dysfunction. While vitamins alone cannot cure proteinuria, certain vitamins can support kidney health. Here are 3 essential vitamins and their top sources that can help promote kidney function and potentially reduce proteinuria. Vitamin D. Essential for calcium balance and overall kidney health. Vitamin D can help improve kidney function and reduce proteinuria. Natural sources of vitamin D include fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in vitamin D. Fortified foods. Many dairy products, plant-based milk, and cereals are fortified with vitamin D. Egg yolks. A good source of vitamin D, although in smaller amounts compared to fish. Vitamin B6. Important for reducing homocysteine levels and supporting overall kidney function, vitamin B6 helps maintain a healthy metabolism. Top sources of vitamin B6 include poultry. Chicken and turkey are excellent sources of vitamin B6. Bananas. A convenient and nutritious source of vitamin B6. Potatoes. Especially when consumed with the skin, potatoes provide a good amount of vitamin B6. Vitamin C. As a powerful antioxidant, vitamin C helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which can benefit kidney health. Key sources of vitamin C are citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are high in vitamin C. Bell peppers. Rich in vitamin C and versatile for various dishes. Kiwi, a potent source of vitamin C and other nutrients. Incorporating these vitamin-rich foods into your diet can support kidney health. However, it's essential to discuss any changes to your vitamin intake with a healthcare provider, particularly if you have kidney issues or other health conditions. They can help tailor recommendations to suit your specific needs and ensure optimal kidney functions.